Have you ever tried to tell someone about your day, but suddenly you didn't know how to speak in English?
Maybe you wanted to say, I went somewhere, or I did something, but the words didn't come.
Don't worry. Today, we're going to make it simple.
Yes, today we are talking about the past.
Not yesterday's news, not history, just simple everyday life.
Things like, what did you do this morning? Where did you go last weekend? What did you eat yesterday?
Talking about the past is one of the most important skills in English conversation.
Because when people meet, they don't only talk about now.
They ask, how was your weekend? What did you do? How was your trip?
And if you cannot answer, the conversation stops.
So today, we fix that.
Let's start very simple.
First, we need to understand how English changes in the past.
Let's begin with the verb to be.
Today, I am happy.
Yesterday, I was happy.
Today, you are busy.
Yesterday, you were busy.
See the change? Am and is become was.
Are becomes were.
That's it. Very simple.
Let's practice together.
Today, the weather is sunny.
Today, the weather was rainy.
Today, I am at home.
Yesterday, I was at work.
Today, we are friends.
Yesterday, we were classmates.
Feels easy, right?
Now let's talk about actions.
For many verbs, English is very kind.
You just add ed.
Walk becomes walked.
Play becomes played.
Watch becomes watched.
Cook becomes cooked.
Let's build a small story. Yesterday, I walked to the market.
I bought vegetables.
I cooked dinner.
I watched TV.
I cleaned the kitchen.
See? So simple.
But English has a little surprise.
Some verbs are different.
They don't use ed.
They change completely.
For example, go.
Not goed.
It becomes
Went.
today I go to school.
Today I went to school.
Another one, eat.
Today I eat rice.
Yesterday I ate rice.
Drink becomes drink.
See becomes saw.
Have becomes had.
Take becomes took.
Buy becomes bought.
Come becomes came.
These are common verbs.
You hear them every day.
And once you practice them, they become natural.
Now let's tell a real story.
Imagine this.
Last weekend, I went to the park.
I saw many people.
Children were playing.
I ate a sandwich.
I drank juice.
I talked to my friend.
We laughed.
Then we went home.
That is a complete past conversation.
And you can do it too.
You don't need big grammar books.
You just need practice.
So now, think about your last weekend.
Where did you go?
What did you eat?
What did you eat?
Try to answer in your head.
Say it slowly.
I went to, I ate, I watched, I talked.
You are already speaking in the past.
And that feels good. Okay, now that we understand was, were, and past verbs, let's practice with real conversation.
Yes, because grammar is good, but conversation is better.
Imagine this. Two friends meet on Monday morning.
And one friend asks, how was your weekend?
That question is very common.
You hear it at work, at school, everywhere.
So let's answer it naturally.
I'll ask you.
Okay.
How was your weekend?
My weekend was great. I visited my cousin on Saturday.
Oh, nice. Where does your cousin live?
She lives near the beach, so we went to the beach together.
That sounds fun. What did you do there?
We walked near the water, we took some photos, and we ate ice cream.
Ice cream at the beach. Perfect combination.
Yes, it was a sunny day. The weather was beautiful.
Did you swim?
No, we didn't swim. The water was cold.
Ah, cold water is not nice.
Exactly. but we enjoyed the view.
That is a perfect answer. Short, simple, natural.
Now your turn. How was your weekend?
My weekend was quiet. I stayed at home.
Oh, did you rest?
Yes, I watched a movie, I cleaned my room, and I cooked dinner.
What did you cook?
I cooked pasta. It was simple but tasty.
Nice. Did you go out at all?
Yes, on Sunday evening I went to the supermarket.
What did you buy?
I bought fruits, milk, and some snacks.
Sounds productive.
Yes, not exciting, but relaxing.
See how easy that was?
We used was, went, watched, cooked, bought, stayed.
And everything sounded natural.
Now, let's practice short answers.
I'll ask quick questions. You answer quickly.
Ready.
What did you eat for breakfast yesterday?
I ate toast and eggs.
Did you go anywhere yesterday evening?
Yes, I went to the gym.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Great. Woke is the past of wake.
Yes, not waked, woke.
Exactly.
Okay, your turn.
Ask me.
What did you do last night?
I read a book and listened to music.
Did you sleep early?
No, I slept at midnight.
Slept. That's another irregular verb.
Yes, sleep becomes slept.
The more we talk, the more we remember.
That's the secret.
Conversation builds memory.
And confidence.
Now, let's build a slightly longer story.
Okay. Yesterday was Sunday. I woke up late. I felt tired.
Why were you tired?
Because I slept late on Saturday. I watched a movie and talked to my friend for 2 hours.
That explains it.
Yes. Then I made coffee. I sat near the window and I relaxed.
That sounds peaceful.
In the afternoon, I went for a short walk. I saw my neighbor. We talked for a few minutes.
Nice. Simple life moments.
Exactly. You don't need big events.
You just describe your real life.
That is how real English works.
Not perfect sentences, just natural ones.
Now I want listeners to pause for a moment.
Yes. Think about yesterday.
Say 3 sentences in your head.
For example, I woke up at, I ate, I went to.
Even small sentences are powerful.
Because when you speak, you are training your brain.
And the past tense becomes automatic.
Practice makes patterns stronger.
And confidence bigger.
In the next part, we will practice even deeper conversation.
With mixed regular and irregular verbs.
So stay with us. We are not finished yet.
Now let's go a little deeper.
Yes, because real conversations are not only short answers.
Sometimes we tell stories.
Small stories, simple stories, but meaningful ones.
Let's imagine this situation.
You meet a friend after a long time.
And your friend asks, "What have you been doing lately?"
So now you talk about the past few days or weeks.
Let's model a natural conversation.
I'll start.
Okay.
Hey, it's been a while. What did you do last week?
Last week was busy. I worked a lot. I had several meetings and I finished an important project.
Oh, wow. Was it stressful?
Yes, it was. But I felt proud after I completed it.
That's great. Did you celebrate?
Yes. On Friday night, I went out with my friends. We ate dinner together and talked for hours.
Where did you go?
We went to a small restaurant downtown. The food was amazing. I tried something new.
What did you try?
I tried spicy noodles. They were delicious.
Did you like them?
Yes, I loved them, but they were very spicy. I drank a lot of water.
That sounds funny.
It was. We laughed a lot.
See how natural that sounded?
Yes, we used worked, had, finished, went, ate, talked, tried, drank, laughed.
A mix of regular and irregular verbs.
Now let's switch roles.
Okay.
What did you do last month?
Last month, I traveled to another city.
Oh, really? Why did you travel?
I visited my cousin. She moved to a new apartment.
How was the trip?
It was long, but it was interesting. I saw beautiful buildings and met new people.
Did you enjoy the visit?
Yes, I did. We cooked together, we watched movies, and we talked about our childhood.
That sounds special.
It was. I felt happy and relaxed.
Notice something important.
Yes, we are not using difficult vocabulary.
We're using simple verbs.
But the conversation still feels real.
That is the secret of fluency.
Fluency is not big words.
It is comfort with small words.
Let's build a short emotional story.
Okay.
Last year, I faced a difficult time.
Oh? What happened?
I lost my job. I felt sad and confused.
That must have been hard.
Yes, it was. But I didn't give up.
What did you do?
I started learning new skills. I studied every day. I practiced English. I applied for many jobs.
Did something change?
Yes, after a few months, I found a better job.
That's inspiring.
Thank you. Looking back, that difficult time helps me grow.
This is powerful.
Because now you are not just describing actions.
You are describing feelings.
Felt, lost, found, started, applied.
Real-life vocabulary.
And this is how conversations happen.
People don't only say, I went here, I ate this.
They say, I felt happy, I was nervous, I enjoyed it, I learned something.
Now, listeners, try this.
Think about one happy memory.
Maybe a birthday.
Maybe a trip.
Maybe a simple evening with family.
Now, describe it in 3 sentences.
For example, last weekend, I met my friends. We played games. I felt very happy.
Simple, clear, real.
The more you describe memories, the stronger your past tense becomes.
And your confidence grows.
Speaking about the past is one of the most important skills in English conversation.
Because most daily conversations start with, what did you do yesterday?
How was your weekend?
What happened?
And now you can answer naturally.
In part 4, we'll practice common mistakes and quick correction drills.
So you feel even more confident.
Let's continue.
Now it's time to make everything stronger.
Yes, because understanding is one thing, but speaking confidently is another.
Let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1.
I goed to the market.
No, not goed.
Correct sentence. I went to the market.
Mistake number 2.
I eated pizza.
No, not eated.
Correct sentence. I ate pizza.
Mistake number 3.
I was go to school.
That sounds wrong.
Correct version. I went to school.
Remember, we don't mix was with another past verb.
Was is only for I was tired. I was at home.
Not I was went.
Exactly.
Now let's do quick correction practice.
I will say a wrong sentence.
You fix it in your head.
Yesterday, I see a movie.
Correct. Yesterday, I saw a movie.
Last night, I sleep early.
Correct. Last night, I slept early.
I buyed a new phone.
Correct. I bought a new phone.
We was at the party.
Correct. We were at the party.
Very good.
Now let's move to speed practice.
Answer quickly. No overthinking.
Ready?
What did you eat yesterday?
I ate.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to.
Who did you talk to yesterday?
I talked to.
Good. Even if your answers are simple, that is perfect.
Now let's build one final story together.
I'll start. Yesterday was a busy day.
I woke up late.
I felt tired.
I drank coffee.
I went to work.
I worked hard.
I met my boss.
I finished my tasks.
After work, I came home.
I cooked dinner.
I watched TV.
And I slept peacefully.
That's a full day in the past tense.
Simple verbs, clear structure.
You don't need perfection.
You need courage.
If you make mistakes, it's okay.
Mistakes mean you are trying.
And trying means you're improving.
Now pause for a moment.
Close your eyes.
Think about yesterday.
Say 5 sentences.
I woke up. I ate. I went. I saw. I felt.
That's it.
That's real speaking practice.
You just trained your brain to use the past naturally.
And the more you repeat, the easier it becomes.
Next time someone asks, "How was your weekend?"
You won't panic.
You'll smile.
And you'll answer.
That is progress. Before we finish, let's do one final practice together.
Yes. This time, repeat after us.
Ready?
Speak clearly, slowly, confidently.
Yesterday, I woke up early.
Yesterday, I ate breakfast.
I went to work.
I talked to my friend.
I saw something interesting.
I learned something new.
I felt happy.
I came home.
I watched TV.
And I slept peacefully.
Very good.
Notice how natural that feels now.
At the beginning, maybe it felt confusing.
Was, were, went, ate, saw.
But now they feel more comfortable.
That is how learning works.
Not in one day,
Not in one lesson.
but step by step,
Conversation by conversation.
mistake by mistake.
Confidence grows quietly.
And one day you realize,
You are speaking naturally.
so tonight, try something simple.
Before you sleep, talk to yourself.
Say, "What did I do today?"
Answer it in English,
Even if your sentences are short.
even if you make mistakes.
Because every time you try,
Your English becomes stronger.
now we have one small challenge for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend?
Write 3 simple sentences.
For example, I went to the park. I watched a movie. I ate dinner with my family.
Simple is perfect.
Your story matters.
And your practice matters.
Keep speaking.
Keep learning.
Keep building your confidence.
And remember,
The past is not scary.
it's just a story waiting to be told.
We'll see you in the next conversation.
Until then, keep practicing.
And keep moving forward.